Means everything, man. Like again, I've been a part of that team for 4 years now, and I've seen that fan base when we were losing. Right, I've been 6-12 twice. I've seen it, and in those years, Rider Nation showed nothing but love. 26,000 to a losing team. 26,000 people showed up every week to a losing team. So it means everything to win this for them because I mean they're a huge reason why we do it. They are the backbone of that team. They are the 13th man. They are second to none, truly. So it means everything to be one of the names that they can say they are proud of. That did it for them. That won it for them. Um, it is, yeah, it means everything. Right. My love for Rudder Nation is deep and it is pure. I got nothing but love for everybody over there.